Do you love dogs? Many Australians do. The RSPCA estimates that over 40% of Australians own at least one dog. But unfortunately, the Australian Companion Animal Council estimates that 100,000 Australians are attacked by dogs each year. 13,000 of them will require medical treatment, and more than 1,000 will go to the hospital. This is very serious, and many of these dog attacks could be easily avoided simply by raising awareness and knowledge about dogs and how to approach them properly. This is what Epication will do. We offer workshops in primary schools to educate students about how to approach dogs safely, as well as how to be responsible dog owners. These are roughly 90-minute long sessions that are tailored to each year group. K2 students will mostly learn about safety with dogs, and older students will also learn about being responsible dog owners. To do this, we will partner with dog trainers and pet organizations like the RSPCA and Pet Bond. We will guide the dog trainers in constructing the lessons. Then, they will go to schools with the right dog to deliver the interactive workshop to each class. Students will have a chance to interact with the dogs in a supervised environment. And did I mention the prizes and freebies at the end? This will impact our society positively. There will be less cases of dog attacks as children will know how to approach and play with dogs safely. Dog owners will be able to enjoy their time with dogs in public places with less worry. By also teaching children how to be responsible dog owners, they will gain life skills and the street might be a little bit cleaner. Most importantly, it will be a fun and educational experience for all students, dog lover or not.